Streamlit, a relatively new open source framework for building web-based data science and machine learning applications. It was first released in 2018 by a company founded by two former Google engineers, Adrian and Tiago, who were both frustrated with the difficulty of building web-based tools for their own data science project. The name Streamlit itself is a joke said by Tiago. The goal of Streamlit is to make it easy for data scientists and engineers to build a web-based tool for their data exploration, visualization, and machine learning. Let's imagine using it to create an image editing application. We will use many inbuilt widgets to get the job done. Start by importing Streamlit and Pillow. We will set the title with set page config and passing the title of page. Set the header and subheader as well. Now use file uploader widget to get image file and only accept the PNG and JPG image formats. We will read image into image object. We can create sidebar with st.sidebar and set the header. We will use slider widget to create different slider for different effects as well as select box for options and checkbox for blur. Now set the default values for our slider. Use image enhancer to apply different effects to our images. To show the image, we will use image widget from Streamlit. Now in under 70 line of code, you have an app that anyone can use to edit their images. It's been Streamlit in 2 minutes. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and we will meet in another one.